PARDHU Tech channel. Like it and share it. Please subscribe PARDHU Tech channel. AP SSC 10th results re-verification application form 2023 10th results photocopy of answer papers procedure. Application for SSC re-verification of marks 2023. Application for photocopy of SSC answer scripts. The Board of Secondary Education has released the application for supply of photostat copy cum re-verification of valued answer script for SSC results 2023. The detailed process on how to apply for SSC 10th verification of answer papers and photostat copy of answer copies is explained now. SSC 10th results verification photocopy of answer scripts application form. SSC 10th results xerox copy of answer papers. Re-verification cum supply of photocopy of valued answer book. This year also for April or May 2023, the system of re-verification of answer books in all subjects is decentralized. Here in this, the detailed procedure for applying for re-verification of the SSC 10th results paper-wise, how to apply for 10th class re-verification or to get the xerox or photocopy of answer script is explained. Last date to apply for re-verification is 13th May 2023. Procedure. The candidate has to submit his or her application duly forwarded by the headmaster of the school concerned duly getting the photo attested. Application format is kept in the website www.bsc.ap.gov.in. The prescribed fee for each subject is 1000 rupees. The application should be submitted directly at counters constituted at designated points to be announced by the district educational officers concerned at district headquarters. Need not to apply for recounting of marks if applied for supply of photostat copy of valued answer scripts. Candidates need not to send physical application for re-verification of answer scripts to the Office of Director of Government Examinations, Vijayawada. Enclosed xerox copy of hall ticket, dummy memo of marks. If not, the application will be summarily rejected. Fee paid once will not be refunded. Fee paid once will not be refunded under any circumstances. Application sending by post or courier service will not be accepted. Fee paid by way of drawing demand drafts and bankers' checks will not be accepted. The appeal for undervaluation or overvaluation shall not be considered under any circumstances. The xerox copy of the valued answer script will be sent to the candidate after re-verification. Enclose one self-addressed envelope of 12 into 9.5 book size and another cover of 10 into 4.5 with the address of the headmaster concerned without affixing postal stamps. The e-payment or manual payment through Chalana reference form have to be paid by the individual candidate only, and group e-payment or manual payment through Chalana reference form will not be accepted. Retotaling, whether marks for all answers are posted or not. A re-verification as per the principles of valuation for only those answers which are unvalued. Unvalued answers will be valued. Here this is very important. Unvalued answers will be valued and marks will be awarded. Very important. If any reduction in the already awarded marks is noticed, it will be communicated to the candidate with an instruction to surrender or return the original certificate to facilitate issue of the revised certificate with the reduced marks. The marks will be revised in the permanent record of the office if the candidate concerned fails to comply with the instructions in returning the memo. He has to face the consequences if his certificate referred for verification at a later date. The department is not responsible for the action of the candidate. How to pay fee for re-verification of APSC 10th papers. Procedure to pay through e-payment or payment in SBI through Chalana reference form. First, you visit website stps.cfms.ap.gov.in. Second one, go to Citizen Services and click on Accept links and then click on Citizen Challan. Select department as ESE03 Government Examinations Department. Select service as 1049, that means re-verification and issue of Xerox copy of valued answer script to SSC candidates. Fifth one, the DDO code will automatically be displayed as. Sixth one, click on submit. Seventh one, fill the details of purpose, a remitter name, a remitter ID, address, mobile number, email ID, amount in rupees. Select any one of the option manual payment or e-payment. Procedure to AP SSC 10th results re-verification online fee pay. How to pay online fee pay procedure? First of all, fee pay through e-payment or payment in SBI through Chalana reference form. This is the process. And instructions on recounting and re-verification dates and procedures. The candidates who wish to apply for recounting of their answer scripts shall remit an amount of 500 rupees per subject through CFMS Citizen Challan, that is www.cfms.ap.gov.in on or before 13/5/2023. The candidates who wish to apply for re-verification come supply of photocopy of the answer scripts shall remit an amount of 1000 rupees per subject through CFMS, that means Citizen Challan, cfms.ap.gov.in on or before 13th 5th month 2023. The candidates who wish to apply for re-verification come supply of photocopy of the answer scripts of a particular subject need not apply for the recounting of that subjects only. Revised memorandum of marks will be issued in cases of change of marks and total only. The procedure for re-verification includes the following: recounting the marks awarded, verifying whether the marks are awarded to all the written answers or not, valuation of the written answers for which the marks are not awarded earlier. Re-verification does not refer to recorrection, and the appeals for recorrection of the answer scripts are certain answers shall not be considered. Please subscribe PARDHU Tech channel, like it and share it. Thank you.